So my name is Maria Salamanca. I'm currently in third year at Berkeley, double major political science and legal studies with a minor in public policy. I'm originally from Florida, so I'm actually an out-of-state student, and I really want to go to law school after college. So ICJ is a very unique, special committee. I really like it because of my passion for law, actually. It's a great way to go over the procedures of law at the UN level, something that's very unique to be one. And basically it's kind of like a courthouse, but at the international level where we get to have very large political international figures and obviously countries as a whole be present, so it's really, really cool. Yeah, so unlike other committees, we're a very specialized committee. We have a very small amount of delegates in our committee, which gives us a lot of flexibility. Procedure-wise, we're a lot more flexible, and we kind of go with procedure as long as it goes, because there's so many witnesses and time different. Like every witness has a different amount of time. It's a very flexible committee, and then you guys get to ask questions to the witnesses. And I try to keep it very flexible for you guys. So basically, it won't be as strict with procedure. Obviously, you still have to raise your placards when you want to speak, but it's a lot more lax, definitely. So I'm really, really excited to meet you guys. It's going to be really nice to have a very small committee. I'll get to know each of you personally. I hope that you all participate and are as interested in the topic as I am. The more you read about it, the more you'll know about it. And it would be we're really working hard to make it the best experience for you guys. So basically, I thought this topic was very interesting because it gives you delegates a great glimpse and historical background on the Cold War. A lot of the Cold War is very focused on the US-Russia politics, but one of the huge aspects about the Cold War was actually the US influence in South America and Latin America. And this is a great example of how the US influenced South America and Latin America. And it gives you a different perspective of the Cold War that you usually learn in the classroom setting. So this was really interesting for you guys when you go through research and think about the difference of how you were taught about the US versus Russia and the difference approach that you'll have in the US versus Nicaragua. I mean, aside from be really excited to come to our committee, just read and be prepared. The more you read about the topic, the more comfortable you'll be. I'm a really good advocate for research, and I love people who are very well knowledgeable in the background. Obviously, you don't have to be an expert. I'm not an expert myself either. But just read the most you can. The more familiar with the topic, the more you'll be able to participate and ask good questions to each of the witnesses in our court. I'm so excited to see you guys.